Welcome to today's episode of Fishing Grillz. Today we're gonna catch some fish using this. Let's go. Tuning in for this episode of Fishing Grillz!
Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for joining us on this episode of Fish and Grillz. We're over here at our local supermarket, Times, at Mililani Town Center, picking up some ingredients to cook up some fish that our friend Sonny got. Looks like we're gonna make some hot pot style food with a bunch of side dishes. We've never had these fish before, so it's gonna be an interesting one. So stick around.
Oh, hanapa! Oh, whoa! Yes, woo! Caught something good, bro. We'll try them out. Let's go!
Alright, here we have is our squirrelfish. This is our product of Vietnam. As you can see, it's a giant mutant minpachi. Very similar, and it has all these sharp spikes over here too. Very thick scales. So we're gonna clean it up, gut it up, get it ready for the oven.
Like icicles or something. What's that, Jack?
Bro, I'm scared. It's gonna cut my finger if I miss.
Its face while you're holding it.
Just got done cleaning up. We're gonna score it so it cooks evenly. We'll top it with some sweet sour sauce. Leave it in it for about an hour. See how it comes out. Even the bone structures are weird. Do they salt there? For this dish, we're gonna use a simple Kikkoman sweet and sour sauce. We're gonna use half the bottle now, half the bottle later. So this is the clown featherback coming off the rivers of Vietnam. Usually they make fish cake with this fish, but today we're gonna make our own style dumplings to add to our hot pot. Oh yeah, it is soft.
Looking.
Yeah, it is soft.
Has that trigger fish looking. Or the. What do you call that? Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Yeah,
Ribs.
soft,
Look at his ribs. Like. This is like the broomfish, yeah?
Crazy how freshwater fish from a whole different country has the same exact texture meat as our eel. Imagine that. Imagine that. A fish that looks like an arowana in a freshwater based environment is so similar to an eel. Weird science.
Alright, we got our clown featherback fish here. We're gonna mix up all the ingredients, add an egg, some La Miranda spices, paul cayenne pepper, and the garlic. Also some of the sesame seed oil and Hawaii's only furikake mix. Garlic salt. Sesame seed oil.
Our fish is just about done. I'm gonna put it on broil for about 5 minutes so we get a nice caramelization right around the fish. 5 minutes. 5. Our first batch is done. Let's try it out. Wow. That is delicious.
It does taste like fish cake.
Juicy.
Oh my.
Take your hat.
My featherback meat. Alright. Oh,
It's pretty good, huh?
my man, though. That's good, though. But that meat is good.
Alright, so I picked up this fish this morning. What we're gonna do, we're gonna fillet it up, make some sashimi, put it back on a plate, we're gonna use this for the hot pot, dip it in the hot pot for about a few seconds, eat it like that.
Hi guys, it's me, Bobby. It's been a while since I've seen you folks. I've been here working behind the scenes with the guys on Fishing Grillz for a while now. And today they asked me to make a hot pot. And so I've been working on this broth all day. I took about 3 pounds of chicken thighs, boiled them with an onion, a few bulbs of garlic, some lemongrass, and some other spices throughout this whole afternoon. It's been boiling down. And yeah, we're ready to roll with this broth. I've got it in my divider. I'm going to add some curry to one to add some distinct flavors and such. And I'm super stoked to see how this all comes out. I have to work with you guys.
So our squirrelfish and our pachi is about ready. We're gonna pull it out. Since Sonny's the one that provided for us, he gets the first taste.
How's it taste?
Oh, good. Oh, so much flavor. That sauce, what is that? Like the fishing grill sauce?
No, that's the Skikoman sweet and sour sauce.
It's like firm meat, so it's really good, man. I'm like lost for words, man.
That's very delicious.
It's very good, man.
Well balanced. Flavor just out of this world. 9 out of 10.
There you go. Everybody gotta sample this now. Squirrelfish. Get at your store near you.
Bobby's broth is getting hot. We're gonna drop in the fish balls, let the fish balls cook, drop in the rest of the ingredients. We all can start digging in.
So we have 2 types of noodles here. We have those rice noodles, and then we have the udon noodles. Just drop them in the soup. Let them go. I think the udon will go great with the curry to absorb that curry flavor. And we go with the more traditional rice noodles on the clean side. Everybody else here just goes in. Start throwing the mushrooms. There are mushrooms. Some of them are getting away, but yeah, mushrooms. Got shiitake. Or 1 ball. Or both.
Is that lettuce?
It's a cabbage, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
It's a type. Oh, this fish ball. Fish balls are done already? Let's try this fish ball.
Yeah. The one on your right has curry in it.
Wait, where's baby dumpling?
I don't know. You. Is it good?
Drop it. That
Nice. Got blow a kiss this time too.
Thank you everybody for joining us today. We had a blast.
Good times, good grinds, good people, and as always,
Stay tuned for the next episode of
Fish and Grillz! Alright, let's get some of this bad boy. Oh, so big. Steve. Eye of the tiger. Hey, get it.
Go get
This
them.
is for YouTube. Only for YouTube.
Do for Fishing Grillz. Woo!